Imagine there was a way to explode your Shopify dropshipping store without spending any more money on ads. In fact, these 4 methods I'm about to uncover has allowed me to make my first $10,000 profit when I first got started with Shopify dropshipping. Now, the best part about these methods is that it does not require much skill and they're all free methods, meaning you don't have to spend any money on TikTok, Facebook ads, or any of that. Now, obviously, paid ads is the best way to explode your dropshipping business, hands down. However, it's important to diversify and try these methods out because personally for me, it exploded my dropshipping journey and allowed me to build that cushion of profit to really be able to scale my business. Now, when I first got started my journey, I was really good at building websites and finding products. However, I couldn't get paid ads to work. So I came up with a genius strategy, and that leads me up to strategy number 1. And it's partnering with influencers and YouTubers to have them promote your business for free. Let me show you how that works. So we all know Mr. Beast, right? And this is his merchandise website that currently sells millions of dollars of hoodies, t-shirts, socks, you name it, all different types of products for his fan base. Now, this is becoming a massive trend with influencers actually launching their own brands, their own products, but who actually runs it for them? Now, here's what I did, and you can do this for yourself. I went ahead and actually started emailing all different types of influencers, YouTubers, and offering them to build them a store and for them to actually go ahead and promote it through their social media. And this is how my email went. You can copy this word for word or plug this into ChatGPT and kind of reword it. So I said, hey, you've done the work. And no kidding, look at the date, 2018. I said, hey, you've done the work and built your audience. Now it's time to expand with merchandise, but you got to do it the right way. At Dynamic Merchant, that was my company name that I made up. We help YouTube stars and influencers just like you explode your bottom line by helping you build and manage a merchandise arm of your brand. Here are some of the customers just like you that we're helping crush it. And I listed 2 of my clients. And if you don't have any clients yet, which you're just going to get started with, you can just post, some random stores that you've built or, just random other merchandise websites. You're busy creating content. Let us handle the merchandise. We handle everything so you can focus on growing your fan base. Just reply to the email for a customized strategy and quote, and we'll be in touch soon. And while you're waiting, check out our company video. I just made a random company video that I got on Fiverr. Talk soon, Samuel Jacobs. Okay. And that's how I got my first few clients that literally promoted the website for me, and we went 50-50. So let's talk about how you're going to actually make the money. So the first step is to obviously reach out to as many influencers as possible. You want to look for YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagram influencers between 100,000 followers and 500,000 followers. Then, now you can do one of 2 things with them. Number 1, either build a merchandise line, and that's usually good for family channels or people that actually have an audience that loves them. Or number 2, you can build them a dropshipping store. For example, I built a women's clothing line for one of the influencers that had a really, really good fan base. And she basically became the brand ambassador, promoted the brand all day, every day. And then for either one of the options, you just split the profit with them. So for example, if you do $10,000 in sales by them promoting your brand, your website, which you guys are partners on, then you pay for whatever the product costs. And then whatever you guys are left with, that's what you split. Now you can use apps like Printful to go ahead and make them those merchandise. Now I usually use the Printful app for my dropshipping stores that sell merchandise. And again, I haven't done this in a little while, but it still works. And all you need to do is get designs for the influencer and then put it on products. You can download the Printful Shopify app, and it's really simple. All you need to do is go to Fiverr.com and type in graphic design for t-shirts. And just like that, you're going to see tons of people that you can go ahead and purchase these custom designs, obviously based on the influencer's ideas. Now, strategy number 2, and this is if you already have a dropshipping store, is actually emailing influencers and give them products for free in return for a shout out in their social media. Now, when you're emailing these influencers to send them a free product, remember that sometimes they don't answer your emails. Always try them on Instagram. Maybe they have other social media. Try to figure out a creative way to get in touch with them. If you have a big social media following, or if you can maybe buy followers on your brand account, it can really help you with your response rates. Now, in terms of your email, you can just be very, very upfront with them and don't try to be like one of these long emails. Influencers don't read that. So you can say something like, like, hey, whatever their name is, we've been following you for a few weeks now. We absolutely love your content. I'm the CEO of whatever your brand name is, and give them a link. We'd love to offer you a free product. And if you enjoy it, we'd love for you to make a video on social media in return. Or let's say they have a TikTok account. We'd love for you to make a TikTok of it. Or let's say they're big on Instagram. We'd love for you to post a few stories in return. Something like that, as long as you get them to make a shout out for you if they like the product, or even make you some creatives for your TikTok and Facebook ads. It's a great way to get some free traffic and sales. Now, obviously, all you need to do is pay for the product cost, but for the most part, it's such an easy way to build that initial content and to get a lot of eyeballs to your page. Now, just be careful on who you actually use for influencers. Don't go ahead and send it to everyone and anyone. Just make sure you send it to influencers that will actually bring you sales. And that's based off their engagement and how big their audience is. Now, before we get to my top 2 methods of getting free sales to your Shopify dropshipping store, let's talk about how you can increase your sales almost immediately. Now, having the right domain name is crucial for your Shopify dropshipping business, whether you're going to be working with influencers, celebrities, or even your own brands. It's important to have a domain name that people trust and that will make you more sales. So take a look at this. As you can see, the biggest influencers and celebrities and brands are currently using the .store domain. So if you look at Mr. Beast's store, he has MrBeast.store. You got other celebrities like Rihanna doing .store, Michelle Obama .store, Demi Lovato.store, influencers like Dude Perfect.store, Zach King.store, and even brands like Emiratis.store and Discord.store using the .store domain. So let me show you how you can actually get one for your own store. Okay, so if you go to the link in the description, you're going to be able to go and choose a .store domain, and you can secure whatever you want .store. So whether it is your influencer's name or whether your brand name, you can go ahead and type it in right here and then press get yours. So let me show you an example. Let's say I wanted to make a merch store. So I would type in samjacobs.store just like this and press get yours. And just like that, it is available for $29 per year. But you know your boy got you, so take a look at this. So if you press add to cart right here and then you go to the checkout and then you put in the coupon code STAMSTORE and you press apply, you'll be able to get your domain name for an entire year for just 99 cents. Now that is a deal. And thank you to .store for sponsoring this video. Now, it is recommended to have this privacy protection installed. And then once you go ahead and place your order, it's super simple to integrate your .store domain to your Shopify store or whatever platform that you're using. Now, using a .store domain, especially when it comes to influencers, brands, and celebrities, is going to make you look a lot better and more professional. And people will know right off the bat that you are selling a product, which will increase your traffic like crazy. In fact, they did a study, and using a .store domain will give you 87% more traffic, which is absolutely crazy. Now, you can also find the .store domain across all the major platforms like GoDaddy, Shopify, Namecheap, and other website builders like Wix. Also, keep in mind the discount code that I gave you is only valid for 1 year from the time I make this video. So if it's still valid, go ahead and grab your .store domain. And with that, it's time to go over my last top 2 favorite methods to get free sales to your Shopify dropshipping store. Let's go. And it's our favorite, Tik Tok Organic. Now, if you've been following me for quite a while now, you know that I am the CEO and partner on Cloudy Sharks. Now, we actually took this brand and helped them scale from a few $100,000 and to $1 million in sales. And we helped them exit, which was incredible. So we actually sold the store. And organic for me is something that is rushing it at all times. Obviously, right now, I'm really focused on ads, but this was one of the stores that we ran organically. And it was the simplest videos just like this. And this. So simple videos like this that kind of show your product in the right way will be able to help you get sales. Now, I don't want to go too in depth in this topic because I can probably talk about hours on Tik Tok Organic, but it's one of my favorite ways to get free sales, posting viral TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you want to watch the full interview on how we were able to blow up Cloudy Sharks, I'll leave that in the description. Now, my last method to get free sales for your Shopify dropshipping store is SEO. Now, how do you do SEO correctly for Shopify dropshipping? Here's 2 simple things that you can do right now for your store. Number 1, create a brand name for your product. So now I used to sell this product called the Hula Fit. And personally for me, we kind of made up this random, the Hula Fit name, but it became so big that people just started searching up on Google, the Hula Fit. And we started to pop up because our domain name was the Hula Fit. So number 1, make your domain name your brand name. Number 2, here's a hack that you want to do right now. now is go into your Shopify product page and go down to the search engine listing and press edit. Right over here, you're going to be able to put your page title and your description and your URL. So take a look. Let's say I was selling the hula fit. So I would type in the hula fit and then like maybe talk like what the product is. Hula hoop at home workout, right? Something like that. And then I can talk about the product itself here. Now, keep in mind, the more times you put in the actual keyword that you want to rank for, the more likeliness that you rank. Obviously, you also want to put the actual URL with the product name. So we can put in the hula fit. Okay. And that was just an example if I was selling this product. Once you go ahead and fill up your description and your page title and your URL with that keyword, you go ahead and press save and you are good to go. Now, keep in mind with SEO. Now, something that I've seen with SEO, it takes a few months to actually start ranking and get free sales. I've personally seen stores get $10,000 a month in free sales after starting to rank for certain keywords that people are actually searching up. So number one, understand what people are going to be searching up, or if it's a product that's starting to trend upwards, usually try to become the brand name and main website for that product based on your name, and make sure your SEO is all set up. And of course, as you continue to get traffic to your store through your other methods like paid ads and time, your website will start ranking for the SEO search engines. So hopefully you found this video helpful and valuable. Those are my top 4 methods for free traffic for Shopify dropshipping, and it continues to work today. I hope that you implement some of these methods and let me know how it goes. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Of course, all questions I will be answering in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button for the algorithm. And if you want to apply to be my next success story, go ahead and click the first link in the pinned comment. With that, I'll see you in the next one.